Thanks for tuning into the channel today. I'm thinking of doing a big mass giveaway where I'm going to put up 7 different bikes, and I'll do a package for every bike, and I'll just do them as a giveaway once I hit the sub count of 10k. So without further ado, what bikes I'll be looking at will be, this is a Himalayan package, then I'm going to go to a Suzuki DRZ, a Royal Enfield Classic 500, Royal Enfield Interceptor, a Honda CRF 250L, a Honda CRF 300L, and the Honda Forza. While we're at it, guys, I almost forgot, I'm opening a second channel called Bike, Birds and Travel, and that channel's operating now, so it's going to have a big variety of all different things on it. So if you're into stuff like fishing or a bit of travel around Australia, or you're interested in anything like that, or there'll be some drone shots there when I bring the drone out to fly with these bikes, and all other sort of interesting things that should go on that channel. By all means, I'll put a link in the description, and if you click onto that link, you can go into that one, and I'm probably going to have a draw on that channel too for new subs, so maybe worth your trouble clicking on that one too, and you can have a double hit at the same time. So apart from that, we'll get back to this other side of this one. So if you've got any of those bikes, or you would like to see what's in the package for each bike, just wait, and as soon as I can get them up, I'll do one clip at a time. But at this stage, this is a Himalayan package. Now, the only condition of the winning of this, all these giveaways, will be you must be a subscriber to the channel, and when the channel hits 10k, that's when I'm going to draw them. It won't matter wherever you live in the world, and it won't matter at the moment, even if you're a sub, you can still enter this competition on any of these bikes. The only drawback is if you just come along and you're a drifter and you want to click on giveaway, when I check and see who the actual winner is, or if I see someone there it's not even a sub to the channel, I'll just delete that person, and we're only going to have genuine people in there. And like I said, this is open worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. You've got a chance of winning something here, and maybe you'll stay around after the draw is over, and we'll see what happens from there. But there's some good prizes coming up in any of these 6 or 7 categories. So at the moment here we've got a Royal Enfield Himalayan GPS mount. So I think I paid pushing close to $80 to $100 for that one when I bought it. And we've got 2 Royal Enfield factory oil filters. So that's included all this in the one package. And like I said, all you got to do is click on the comment section there and just write I subscribed, or you can just, I think we'll just write GPS phone mount, so that way when we do an auto draw it can be picked up quite easy. So once again, for this one here, in the comment section, after you subscribe to the channel, just write GPS phone mount, and that will be for what you see here, 1 GPS phone mount, 2 factory oil filters, and I think it's, all that probably worth around $130 plus the postage out, so I think it's a pretty good price for nothing. So once again, thanks for tuning in, taking a look, and as I get these other ones under control, I'll put up per clip. We'll go from there. And like I said earlier, once I hit target, we'll just do the draw, and out they go. So once again, catch you on a later date, and good luck to all those that enter.